this morning I'm kind of in the process of changing my room out. It's not literally changing out, just kind of moving things around and reorganizing. So I wish I took a picture of how my room used to look like in the process of when I was doing it, but I did not, which is okay. I'm just going to show you guys how it is right now. Obviously in a couple of months certain things will change, but I will show you kind of the state of how my room is. Obviously this is kind of like my mirror. I do want to get a new mirror over there from Wayfair, so eventually there's going to be a new mirror. There's going to be a plant. I took down my curtains to wash them, so that's the rod that goes on that. That's my fan because my room does get really hot, so I like to just turn that on. Over here is, you know, my desk. Usually when I'm about to take my shower and put on, you know, my lotion and stuff, I kind of put that over there. Jewelry, yeah, brushes and mirror and all of that stuff. So right here I'm actually going to place this. I'm gonna place this, which is like a clothing rack that I got from Walmart a long time ago. I've had this for, I want to say 2 years now, but I just wanted to move it around from where I had it before. I actually put it up in the storage, but I thought I should bring it back because I kind of liked the look of it, and just putting like my work blazers and some jackets on there just to kind of give me more space in the closet, because my closet is pretty small, which is okay, not a biggie. So let's go ahead and put the clothes up. This is looking right now. I'm thinking of putting some heels over there as well, and I think that kind of ties in my room perfectly for me, and just creates a space where I can just, like winters or whatever, I can just put like my jackets and so forth, and just blazers that I can quickly wear and style for work. So that's pretty much this dream stuff right there. I from Michael's about 5 years ago. And what I did was I painted it white. Actually, the first time I had it, I painted it blue and I put flowers on it. Actually, it was like the same flowers. And then when I moved back home after college, I decided to redo them. So I painted them white. I spray painted them, and then I re-glued the flowers on there. So you can always repurpose your pieces, that way you don't have to spend so much money. I am planning on donating this lamp just because I feel like it doesn't go with the vibe in my room. I don't know, maybe you guys will know better. And then I just have like kind of a stool right there for pretty much nothing. I'm planning on using it for like pictures or whatever, whenever I decide to kind of take up my Instagram a little bit seriously and just plan content on there. I am, however, planning on switching that out to some paintings or just like pictures, like landscape or abstract art. I'm not quite sure yet what I really want to do there, but till then this will just stay. And yeah, I've had this bed for forever. I had actually 4 posts on it, but I didn't like that look just because I felt like I outgrew it. So instead of buying a new bed, I just took off the posts, and to me that just completely transformed the bed. Yeah, and then those flowers, I got them from Michael's, and then they're fake flowers. And then the vase I got from Walmart. It was a mason jar and it was like 92 cents. So I put that on there, and yeah, that's that. Mirror right here for literally so long. It has this distressed white rustic paint on it, but I don't feel like it fits my vibe and just the look that I want. So I want a huge like big white I want a huge big full length mirror, which gives like kind of like a true look to your outfit. I guess this does the same as well, but it just doesn't fit my vibe anymore, and I feel like I've outgrown it. So I kind of want a big full length mirror with like maybe some gold trimmings around it, and I'm planning on getting a plant as well. So you know, just imagine the plant right there. And that's pretty much it. I did buy a plant actually, guys, but the plant was too big for the room. I didn't like how it looked, so I returned it, got my money back, and I will do some more research on plants and eventually choose the right one. I wish I filmed that, but I didn't. It was such a fail. I feel like you guys would have had a laugh about it. But anyways, besides that, I'm gonna go take my bath and get ready for the day. So guys, this is my outfit for the day. It's just these mom jeans and this top. I think I got this top from Target many years ago, and then I have this jeans and this belt. I don't remember where I got this belt from, but I think I got this belt from Forever 21. These jeans are from Nasty Gal. They're so big on me, but I absolutely love the fit, and I didn't feel like returning them because I hate returning like clothes when they don't size or don't fit me. I just keep it or donate it. So yeah, it's super loose, but I like this for like weekends or just like Friday business days. Business days at work, I actually like to wear these jeans with like a t-shirt because I just feel super comfortable, and I'm at home doing nothing and I just felt like looking cute, so I wear these jeans. Hi guys, I'm back from taking my shower, and I'm going to fix my hair, and I'm going to do my face and do my skincare. So first thing I'm going to do is pluck matching hairs because girl, now that I've done that, just pretty much tweeze and shave the middle part of my eyebrows because I'm not touching my eyebrows at all. They're literally overgrown. I'd rather have an expert do it. I've pretty much done my chin. I'm not gonna wax here because I'm not about to do that, so I'm just gonna go in to my skincare. Separate my hair in 4 sections. But first, before I do that, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna add moisture back into my hair. Some water. I'm gonna start off with the back of my hair and just fluff it up like so. So this is my hair without any products in it. My hair is actually long, guys, okay? This is my hair, but shrinkage is do you guys see how much my hair shrinks? Like, this is my hair in the back. This is where it goes to, right? But shrinkage. That's shrinkage for you guys. That's fine. That's part of being a curly girl, and that's okay. Don't mind the shrinkage at all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my products. So I use this brand. This is a new brand I started using, and I absolutely love this, except that the top does not work. So I just take it out and pour it in my hands. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's like a butter. It has a consistency, like the thickness of a butter, and I like that when it comes to my hair. And I'm just gonna apply it all through.